Here are some common misconceptions about yoga. I've heard all of these before, and I'm gonna share openly and honestly, 95% of them are just an excuse to not trying it or to get started and do it. Let's jump in. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, so this is gonna be a fun one. This is gonna be fun. Okay, first, oh, but I need all the top gear and it's too expensive. You know what's expensive? Skiing is expensive. That you need expensive gear for, and a lot of it. Yoga, you need nada. You really can do yoga. Watch. Yoga. There you go. The next one, you need fancy clothes. No, you don't. Wear your pajamas. I've done yoga in jeans before, in a collared shirt. You can stretch while waiting in the grocery line. And the next one, don't you have to be vegan in order to do yoga? I had fish today. It was really good. More than about what you're eating, it's that you're mindful about what you're eating. Let's take it to that step. So no matter if you're having a steak and it's mindful or you're eating a piece of lettuce and you're mindful, has nothing to do with being vegan. So if you're vegan, great. I'm 95% plant-based too. This is like the opposite of exactly the reason why. Oh, but I can't touch my toes. That's the whole point. You learn to become flexible. I couldn't touch my toes either when I first started yoga. I was like slunched over, hunched at a desk like this, clicking at the mouse. And over time, lengthen up tall through the spine, begin to touch my toes with time and practice. Nice try. Oh, especially with teaching, this one. Oh, but you do yoga. Aren't you like always happy? You're supposed to be positive. Says who? We're freaking humans. Just because we do yoga doesn't mean that all your problems wash out the door. It's life. We're human. What's important is learning different ways to breathe through it to let some of the stress go. That'll add on to it. I'm guilty of this one. I used to say this actually. Oh, but yoga's not a workout. I started yoga for a workout, and then it became so much more over time. I started to realize how I started to heal a lot of my mind issues and started to appreciate my body. So, plus, try a yoga class. You let me know what you think if it's a workout. It depends which yoga you're doing, to be honest, too. I've had this with even some of my family members. Oh, but I already have a religion, or yoga, it's too spiritual. Spirituality to me, I'm not going to touch the religion thing because that's just a really touchy topic. Spirituality to me is a connection to self. So no matter what God that you're praying to, no matter what person, ethereal being or mindset or ancestor, spirituality is connection to self. That's my definition. But yoga itself, it's not a religion. It's not. It's not. I was guilty of this too. Yeah, but I tried a class and I really didn't like it. That's like saying I tried a piece of food, or like an apple. If you gave me a Macintosh apple, I'd be like, don't like apples. But if you give me a Pink Lady or a Granny Smith, love. Try a different class, try a different kind of yoga, try a different teacher, and you may find one that you really connect with. You gotta try, it's like dating. You gotta try a lot of bad frogs. What does it go? You have to kiss a lot of frogs before you meet a prince. Prince, hello? I hope this was insightful, at least a little fun, but there are a lot of misconceptions about what yoga is. Most importantly, open your mind to try. Open your mind to experience yourself. And don't give up after the first shot. Try, and try again, because practice equals progress.